Okay, question 5 offers us a regular octagon next door to an irregular pentagon. And we're asked to find the angle x, which is this angle here. And to find that angle, we really need to find out the other two angles that surround the point H. Let's call this angle y and this angle z. And there is another z here because we're told that these two angles are the same. So we know that x plus y plus z will add up to 360 degrees. So let's deal with this regular octagon first. Now I always think the way to get to an interior angle is via the exterior. It's easier to remember that the exterior angle of an octagon is equal to 360 degrees divided by the number of sides, 8. And this is equal to 45 degrees. So the interior angles of a regular octagon will be this value subtracted from 180 degrees, which is equal to 135 degrees. And that's the first of our desired answer. So therefore I can say that y is equal to 135 degrees. So let's have a look at this pentagon. Now, the interior angles of this irregular pentagon will add up to the same value as if it was a regular pentagon. So if we work on a regular pentagon, get the total interior angles added up, we can then form an equation involving z, and we're home and dry. So let's do the same as we did for an octagon for this pentagon. And in exactly the same way, the interior angles of a regular pentagon are equal to 180 degrees minus 72, which is equal to 108 degrees. So the total interior angles of a regular pentagon must be equal to 108 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 540 degrees. So therefore I can say that 112 plus 102 plus 96 plus 2z is equal to 540 degrees. And if you work that out on a calculator, z turns out to be 115 degrees. So we're there because we know that x plus y plus z must equal 360. And if you work that out, x turns out to be 110 degrees. And that is your answer.